My name is David Salyers. I'm Commissioner of the Tennessee Department of Environment Conservation. I love the color. Wow. That the acceleration is it's surprising. This is like weird. I can't tell that the vehicle is even on. I am very excited about the electric vehicle program and the involvement that our department has in moving this project forward. I'm going to be driving a Tesla. How do we get this thing rolling?
Okay, so it's already on.
It's already on?
Yes.
Whoa, my gosh.
And this is the slowest.
Oh,
Up at the light, you'll turn right.
this is a rocket ship.
And like I say, they make them a whole lot faster than this.
I think this vehicle right here will beat a lot of gasoline engine vehicles on 0 to 60. The advancements in the technology of the torque and the power of these vehicles, how quiet they are, is absolutely extraordinary. Wow. I am gonna get an acceleration ticket. Do they have acceleration tickets?
Now, one thing, when you get on the road, maybe you'll get a chance to feel it. With the batteries being below your feet here, it's got an extremely low center of gravity. So I think you're going to find that it handles unlike any other car around.
Because the weight of the batteries pulls that center of gravity down, and you're like glued to the road.
Exactly.
Electric vehicles contribute to a cleaner, safer, more affordable transportation system. One of the things that we're excited about here in Tennessee is the fact that it reduces our dependence on foreign energy and keeps our state energy dollars at home. Our department is very supportive of electric vehicle technologies and the fact that it can reduce emissions and help to improve our air quality. We want to encourage people to get out to our state parks and to hike and to enjoy the natural beauty and to be environmentally responsible by using electric vehicles. I think one of the most important things that we can do is getting publicly available infrastructure charging statewide. And TDEC is working with a number of partners to make sure that we leverage our resources in the best way that we can to make this happen. And I know we've got some great restaurants here in Johnson City, but I'm sort of kind of in the mood for some Calhoun ribs on the river down in Knoxville. So if we drove down there and by the restaurant along the river, I know we have some charging facilities down there. We could zip down, have our ribs, plug in, fully charged and ready to roll back up here. Now, while TDEC doesn't endorse any particular vehicle or manufacturer, we broadly support transportation electrification. And I think this is something that is really gonna take hold quickly as the price points of these vehicles come together and the technology is in place for people to enjoy driving the cars. The way that this handles and with the range that we got, I'm thinking we'll be back in about 2 hours and 20 minutes. Do you want wet ribs or dry rub? I'm really excited that Tennessee is in the right position to become a manufacturing leader in EVs in the southeastern United States.